Meet Maya. She's sitting at her kitchen table staring at a homework problem that says graph y equals 2x plus 1. She's thinking, wait, how does an equation become a line? That's exactly what we're going to figure out today. By the end of this video, Maya and you will know how to turn any linear equation into a perfect straight line on a graph. Ready? Let's go. Before Maya can graph anything, she needs to know the playing field. The coordinate plane is basically two number lines that cross each other at 0. The horizontal one, going left and right, is called the x-axis. The vertical one, going up and down, is the y-axis. They meet at a special point called the origin, which is 0, 0. Think of it like the center of a city, and every other point has an address. Maya remembers the first rule of graphing. Every point on the plane has an address called an ordered pair, written as x, y in parentheses. The x number tells you how far to go left or right from the origin. The y number tells you how far to go up or down. So the point 3, 2 means go right 3, then up 2. Okay, so Maya's homework equation is actually simpler than she thought. Here's the big secret. To graph a line, you just need a few points. You make what's called a table of values. You pick some x numbers, any numbers you like, plug them into the equation, and solve for y. Each x and y pair becomes a point you can plot. Once you have 3 or more points, you connect them, and boom, you've got a line. Let's see how this works. Let's fill in Maya's table for y equals x plus 2. First, let x equal 0. Plug it in. Y equals 0 plus 2, so y equals 2. Our first point is 0, 2. Next, let x equal 1. Y equals 1 plus 2, so y equals 3. Second point, 1, 3. Finally, let x equal 2. Y equals 2 plus 2, so y equals 4. Third point, 2, 4. 3 points, we're ready to graph. See how each time x goes up by 1, y also goes up by 1. Now, Maya plots her 3 points, 0, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 4. She puts her pencil at 0, 2, that's the origin, right? Then up 2. Then 1, 3, right 1, up 3. Then 2, 4, right 2, up 4. Now, here's the satisfying part. She takes her ruler and draws a straight line through all 3 points, extending it in both directions. That's it. That equation just became a line on the graph. Isn't that cool? Maya is starting to see the pattern, and now here's where it gets really interesting. Most linear equations are written in what's called slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. The letter m is the slope. It tells you how steep the line is. The letter b is the y-intercept. It tells you exactly where the line crosses the y-axis. Once you know m and b, you can graph any line almost instantly. No table needed. Let's break this down. Slope is one of the coolest ideas in all of math. Think of it like a hill. Rise means how many steps you go up or down. Run means how many steps you go to the right. Slope equals rise divided by run. A slope of 2 means for every 1 step right, you go up 2. Pretty steep. A slope of 1/2 means for every 2 steps right, you only go up 1. More gentle. Maya imagines skateboarding down different slopes. The bigger the number, the steeper the ramp. This is Maya's original homework problem. Y equals 2x plus 1. Let's use slope-intercept form. First, identify b, the y-intercept. Here b equals 1, so the line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, 1. Plot that dot. Now identify the slope, m. It's 2, which means rise 2, run 1. From the y-intercept, go right 1 and up 2 to find the next point, 1, 3. Do it again. Right 1, up 2. Next point, 2, 5. Now connect the dots. Maya just solved her homework problem. Let's try one with a negative slope. Y equals negative x plus 3. Remember, negative x means the slope is -1. First, find the y-intercept. b equals 3. Plot 0, 3 on the y-axis. Now the slope is -1, meaning rise -1, run 1. From 0, 3, go right 1 and down 1 to land at 1, 2. Go right 1 and down 1 again, now at 2, 1. Connect the dots. Your line goes downhill from left to right. That negative slope makes all the difference. Maya now has a 4-step system she uses every single time. Step 1. Find b and plot the y-intercept. That's your starting point. Step 2. Use the slope m to find more points using rise over run. Step 3. Plot at least 3 points so your line is accurate. Step 4. Connect them with a straight line and add arrows on both ends because the line goes on forever in both directions. Parents, this checklist is a great one to print out for homework time. Let's push it up a notch with a fractional slope. Y equals 1/2 x minus 1. The y-intercept b equals -1, so plot 0, -1. That's below the origin on the y-axis. The slope is 1/2, meaning rise 1, run 2. From 0, -1, go right 2 and up 1 to land at 2, 0. Then right 2 and up 1 again, landing at 4, 1. Now connect them. The line is gentler because the slope is less than 1. Maya nailed it. She even impressed her older brother. Remember when Maya stared at y equals 2x plus 1? Totally lost. Look at her now. She's graphing lines with fractional slopes, negative slopes, and helping her older brother with his homework. You went on the same journey today. You learned what the coordinate plane is, how to build a table of values, and how slope-intercept form gives you a shortcut to graph any line in seconds. From confused to confident. That's the graphing journey. And now it's yours too. Keep practicing and you'll be